Hello and thank you for working at Weirton Shop N Save. I'm Brad Langerman with Steritor Sanitary Supply Company. We're the company that supplies the cleaning and restroom items for your shop and save. In the following segment, you're going to learn about the proper way to clean food contact surfaces. And joining me is
Patrick Gary, Produce Manager at Weirton Shop N Save.
to protect customers and staff. All department food contact surfaces, such as prep tables, must be cleaned properly. At least once daily, usually at closing time, food prep tables will be washed, rinsed, and sanitized. For safety reasons, you should always wear gloves when cleaning to protect hands from chemicals and germs. The first step is to remove dry debris and crumbs, and after removal, dispose of properly. This also allows for better wet cleaning. For wet cleaning of tables, you will need 3 separate cloths. Use Shamrock Green Solid Soap or all-purpose cleaner from first sink to wash surface. Use a liberal amount of soap, as this will help remove food and grease. Always fold your cleaning cloth. This is like having 16 different cloths in your hand, ensuring a clean side. Flip sides when soiled. When wiping the table, wipe in a back and forth motion, always ending in a one-way stroke. Use second cloth, dampen with clear, warm water to rinse and remove food and possible soap residue left on surface. Rinse entire surface. Fold cloth as needed. The third and final step is to sanitize surface. Use a separate cloth and use either Jaws food service sanitizer in bottle or Sentry sanitizer from third sink. If spraying surface, allow for dwell time to remove more germs. Wipe entire surface. Sanitizing kills 99.9% of all germs. And please remember, here at Weirton Shop N Save, we always clean for health first, because a healthy store means healthy customers, healthy staff,
And a healthy business.